To complete installation work to the best quality, you need a quality sealant that lasts over time and meets the most sophisticated architectural needs. Mapei has developed 2 new mold-resistant and highly flexible neutral silicone products, ideal for creating flexible seals in joints, and cracks in internal and external surfaces to block water, air, dust, heat and noise. Their matte finish also grants a materic effect, unimaginable until now with a traditional silicone sealant. Mapei presents MAPESIL Tile Matt for ceramics and sanitary ware, resistant to mold, easily shapeable, fast setting. MAPESIL Stone Matt for stone and marble, stain resistant, easily shapeable, resistant to mold. 2 new products, even more choice.